Applying your knowledge of fundamental programming concepts, computational thinking, and data analysis techniques to real-world data science problems is an important part of programming for data science. In this section, you will be presented with 3 data science problems, which you will need to solve using your knowledge of repetition, conditions, arrays, and functions. These problems will have a focus on computational thinking and big data, and how we can store, manipulate, and visualize big data. You will be presented with an introduction to each problem, which will outline the problem to solve and present the format of the data, and then give a brief overview of the steps involved in developing the solution. The problem will be decomposed into a series of steps. Each step will set a target and explain what needs to be done, and then allow you to develop the code to achieve this yourself. The steps will build on each other so that you'll be able to assess your own progress as you develop your solution to the problem. The first problem we will focus on is data visualization. Data visualization is a very common problem in data science. Finding the best way to visually represent the data you are working with is an important skill and affects how easy your data is to understand and how much impact the results can have. In the second problem, you'll look at statistical analysis of a dataset. Data analysis is critical to data science. Raw data is rarely useful on its own. It is the application of analysis techniques that allow us to infer useful information from the data and draw conclusions from statistical techniques. The third problem looks at combining visualization and analysis of data. Analysis and visualization individually are less powerful than when used in combination. Visualizing your data and analysis is an important skill to succinctly and effectively convey conclusions and results. I hope you find these problems challenging, and remember, it is always useful to design your solution before you start coding. Thinking about the variables and data you need and how you need to use it before you code will be beneficial in solving these problems.